On occasion, it can become necessary or useful to be able to hide worksheets. We've seen previously how we can hide columns and rows, but now you can hide the whole sheet. So if we take our sales data 2013 with quarters, it could prove useful within this workbook to be able to hide the sheets for each intervening month, so January, February, March, etc., and just retain the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4s. Now, in order to hide a sheet, we have a couple of methods. The first of those is the ever favourite right click on the tab. So we come down to January, right click, and there's our hide option. One click on hide, and the sheet effectively disappears. Now, unless you know there are hidden sheets within a book, you won't know that there's a sheet missing. So we could do the same with February. Let's do it a different way. So we click on February, up to Format on the home ribbon, come down to Hide and Unhide, and we'll see in here, as well as the ability to hide rows and columns, there's our Hide Sheet option. And February goes as well. And if we do the same for March, then we lose the whole first quarter and hide. So they're removed from view, we cannot see them, we cannot access them while they're hidden. Obviously, anything within them, if it automatically updates, will automatically update still. It's just hidden from view. To bring them back, well, we simply go to Format, Hide and Unhide, and come down to Unhide Sheet. This option is not available if there are no hidden sheets. So you know if there's a hidden sheet in a file by simply coming to Format, Hide and Unhide, and seeing if Unhide Sheet is available. We select that. We're then given a dialog box because it knows there are 3 hidden sheets. Which one do we want back? January, February, or March? Let's bring March back. OK. And March is unhidden, and then we can access it and make changes, etc. Now, if you right-click an existing sheet, you'll see there's an Unhide option as well. It will take us to the same place and is only available while there are hidden sheets. So I can bring back February and do the same thing to bring back January. Now, if you look again, you'll see Unhide is now grayed out because there are no hidden sheets. And the same with Format, Hide and Unhide, and the Unhide Sheet option is grayed out. So we know there are no more hidden sheets, we have them all visible on the screen.